In this first module and first chapter, I'll be talking to you about profile picture and DP. It's very important, and this is what people will see you first. If I remove this hat, you will be able to see me clearly, right? But when I wear it, you won't be able to see me clearly. A lot of times, people wear like they will wear a glare, they will wear a hat. People don't make out what the whole thing is about. So let's keep it simple. And I'll teach you simple tools. Here is the first tool. It's called background remover. You have any picture with you and you don't want the background, just upload the tool over, just upload the picture and done. Download this. Once you have downloaded, step 2, it's pretty simple. Now our step 2 is use Canva. It's pretty simple to use. You can create amazing images out of Canva. Go over here and just search for DICTURE. Forget the dimension. Canva has all the dimensions. So we have many such pictures over here for your profile DP. Whatever you want, just select it. You do it's not something that you want. I like this and this is what people like it. It's not that way. As long as people can see your photo properly, just use this. I'll use something where the background is cleaned up, and I want a free one. So let's see the free one. Let's use this. This looks good. Customize. So I'll teach you now how to customize this particular. Over here we come and this emerald line. If you want to have something over here like just a second, like LinkedIn. Wow. One part done. Second, I want the background to be blue. I like it blue. I'll keep this as again blue, and this I'll make it as white. uh, and this can we let's make it something different. Okay, let's make it a bit bright. Right, this. Now let me upload my, this is the visual. And I can upload this over here. Now you'll wonder, "Arey, this doesn't look good." Wait, just wait for a sec. We can use elements. I have this element over here and I take it, send it backwards. Now send back. This has gone back, and I will say layer send backwards. Now if I want to edit the image over here, I can crop it. So let me crop it over here. Done. And I'll need to, now still you see this some part been seen over here. What we can do is, it's becoming too complex. We'll have a background, a photo which has a background. I have a lot of photos over here. I can use any photo which I think has a background. So let's have this photo. If you want to fit any particular photo over here, you need to go for elements, and in elements you'll find these frames. If you use any frame, for example, I'll use this circle as a frame. Now once I use this circle as a frame, what automatically happens is I can push any photo over here, it goes over here, and then I can move this layer, bring forward, and this is done. You want to make it more highlight, make it more highlight here. See, we remove this and uploads straight away. See, this fits over here. And once it fits over here, we just need to move the layers. Bring forward, layer is done. Download and done. It's so simple. Now I will show you the banner part. How to create the LinkedIn banner. That's that. This is also pretty simple. LinkedIn banner. Uh, we are at templates. So let me search for LinkedIn banner. Uh, LinkedIn banner templates. There are many templates. You want a template with a photo? Here it is, but it doesn't make sense because already your DP is here. DP photo here is here. Again, using that same photo over here doesn't make sense. Just write down what you are good at. So let's use. Okay. And in this, there are many templates. Let's just customize this template. Remove. Let me show you my screen. Here is the screen. LinkedIn search. Moses Booms. This is an image, I guess. Edit image. So this is an image. Okay. If we want to change this image, we need to remove this image. Detach image from background. See, I have removed this. I can use any image over here. Replace current. And over here is where your LinkedIn DP will come. That's why no need to write. This is pretty simple. LinkedIn coach. I build high converting emailers. While I help you you get your help you to I help to create on LinkedIn. This is what I do. So and then research, copywriting, graphic, mailer design. Mailer design is not part. This is not part. See, so you can write on over here. But this is more. Nobody has time to read so much. Keep it with the tagline. That's it. And this is not required. This is good for somebody has taken a lot of effort to create this. Okay. Now we will add a LinkedIn logo to make it more resonating with the people. Let me show you. I have a lot of LinkedIn logos over here. Where is the LinkedIn logo? Ah, here. You can invest time to do whatever you want to do over here. So it's a premium element. This particular part is a premium part. We will remove it. Create a, and this make it more bluish. This is done. What I can also do over here is I can add. This is what I help you to get. So we will layer, bring forward. So it syncs over here. Download in JPEG, and you are done over here. So it's so simple. You have done your profile DP, you have done both your banner image. Great. Now go to the next step.